Hey guys, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's kitchen. Today, I will make Yakiniku rice burger. Let's get started. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Updated every weekend. Please subscribe. First of all, slice 1/2 onion into 3 mm width. Next, prepare 150 grams of rice and add 2 teaspoons of potato starch and mix. After that, shape the rice into a round shape. Wrap half of the rice in plastic wrap. Shape into a circle with a thickness of 1 to 2 cm. Make 2 of these. Then heat the oil in a frying pan and spread the oil in a frying pan. When the oil is warm enough, add the rice and bake. Bake on medium heat. Turn it over when it gets brown. Bake until both sides are browned. Next, heat the oil in another frying pan. Add onions and cook on medium heat. When the onions are little tender, add the beef. Cook on medium heat until the beef changes color. Then add the seasoning.
Soy sauce, sake, that drink, sake. It's mistake. This is too strong liquor. Mirin and sugar.
Turn on high heat and simmer until all the water is gone. This is Yakiniku taste. It smells delicious. Finally, sandwich the ingredients with rice. Rice burger is a hamburger that originated in Japan. Released by Moss Burger, a Japanese hamburger shop in 1987. After that, it became a popular food in East Asia. Besides Yakiniku, rice burger with tempura is also popular. It's done.
Oh.